And we're back with another trending offer segment. This is for October 2021. Michael has pulled the top trending offers going into the spooky Halloween season.
Ooh, yeah. I'm feeling spooky.
So you get first crack at promoting the next big offer. Let's dive in. Awesome. Thanks for joining us. Michael, before we kick off the actual offers here,
Yes.
remind our listeners quickly, what is a trending offer and how is it different than the top offer segments we do?
Yeah, so a trending offer is like a Ghostbusters costume right now at the Halloween store.
That's a trending offer?
It's in vogue.
Oh.
It's trending because there's a new movie coming out. So everyone wants to have the costume to go with the newest thing and everything. These are the newest. These are the ones that are rising. These are the ones everyone's talking about. You want to get your jumpsuit and your backpack and your proton blaster to really catch them ghosts and make everybody jealous.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So with that in mind, some of these stats are all over the place because these are new offers.
Yes.
They don't have as much volume as the other ones, but they're showing very good signs of life.
And
that
you don't
you'll
want to cross
jump
the
on.
streams.
Okay, that was good. Okay,
Yeah.
Respect.
Yep.
Okay, you got that one. With that great pun, I'm going to take the first one. You can think about what you've done. So for the first one, we've got Arteris Plus. I'm going to scroll right back to the top there. So good old, this is going to be a great supplement for healthy blood pressure and sugar and all that good stuff, I'm sure. Arteris Plus, we got $69 front end with up to $294, right smack in the middle there. You're going to be jumping over to their order form. Check that out. I'm going to guess it's going to have that big product image on it. Oh, I'm right. Arteris Plus.
Ooh.
Check it out.
Look at that.
Some very good signs of life here. So what we're seeing is a 67 cent at EPC. That will definitely go up, I'm sure. $224 AOV with a $114 payout. So getting aggressive out of the gate with these payouts. Refunds non-existent. Again, these are new offers, so we don't expect to see any real refunds or chargebacks on these. Conversion rate at 0.58%. So on the lower end, but we're seeing very good payouts and things like that. As they test, I'm betting this will get closer to that 1% range that you kind of need to see with these $200, $100 payout type funnels. And if it can crack that 1% mark, it's going to be off to the moon. So this would be a good one if you've had other supplements like this to get on testing, work with that vendor to kind of get your first crack at it. And you could have tapped into that gold vein before everyone else is mining it.
Hey, everyone. If you are hearing the words that we're saying and the jargon, you're just like, I don't know what they're saying. Click in the link below. We have a video on what EPC, CPA, AOV, all of that is, so you can keep up with us. Click the link below. Yeah, when you're getting on one of these new offers, it's really important to remember that working with the seller of these products, it is a collaborative effort because they are early in the testing effort.
Yeah.
And going into that next number 4 of these Undiscovered is Mycosyn Pro. Mycosyn Pro is a way to maintain a fungus-free life. According to them, it's effective, natural, and pure. It is a dietary supplement for fungal issues. You can get a 30-day supply of it for only $69. You'll see the $69 for the 1 bottle, the $177 for the 3, and $294 for the 6. Looks like a clean page. It looks like they do have a VSL if you do contact them. If we're looking at the order form looks great, branded, looks awesome. Would like to have something with the 3 bottles that shows that they're getting a deal, but it is converting. You'll see they have a great affiliate tools page right here, or affiliate recruitment page. They do have some traffic restrictions. Be sure to follow those so you can stay on and promoting. And looking at the numbers, we're seeing an EPC of close to $1. The AOV is really nice. It's at $244. Affiliate payout values close to $145.
Really good.
And then the conversion rate's about at about 0.5%. And like you were saying, when they're early in this, I almost lost my hat. When they're early in this, you really want to work with them because they are optimizing in it, and you can help them optimize it. And if you're the first one that is who figures it out, boy, it's going to be a big payday. And so it is well worth it.
Agreed. And then I just realized I forgot to show Arteris Plus affiliate page. So here it is real quick before we dive in. And this is a good time to note that in the link in the description below, there is going to be a link to our top offers blog post, which is evergreen, has all the historical stuff there. You can go there.
Prior months that worked and still awesome offers. And you'll see a lot of top offers or trending offers that you might go back to and you're like, oh, they're working now.
And you can go there and get all the different materials you need from these if you're interested in promoting. So do check those out. And then don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what you're excited to test out or any questions you might got. So going into number 3 here, this is an offer that I think used to be on the top offer, wasn't it?
It was a top offer.
Yeah, back in like Q1.
Q1 when everyone was like, yo, waxed, vaxxed, ready to like hit the world.
So this is Rocket Languages. They've got a number of different languages. This is their Spanish page. It's how to learn Spanish, essentially, right?
Yes.
Kind of learn Spanish at home. What I'm excited about with this offer, see it coming back on trending. The reason why it's probably back on trending, right, is that things are getting kind of shut down again a little bit, right? Things are coming back home. But what is really great about this offer is it does really well in Q1 when people are having all their like New Year resolutions, like I'm going to learn a new language, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to make money online, right? All those kind of like big self-improvement things. Learning a new language is a big thing for people that kind of comes up in Q1. So if you can be testing, getting it dialed in to go really hard come January, you can be in a very good spot. So great offer here. Again, they've got a number of different languages, so do check out all their stuff. They do have a kind of a gated affiliate area, so you have to kind of apply to promote, register for the Rocket Languages affiliate program there, so you can go check that out. Let's talk about their stats here. Really good EPCs, $2.82 EPC, $150 order value, $92 payout. Refunds here we can actually kind of speak to a bit because it is a more evergreen offer than some of these newer ones on here. Under 5%, really good quality program here. And then conversion rates over 3%, which is excellent. With a 3% conversion rate with that kind of payout, close to $100.
Yeah.
Wow.
And one of the things that is so good about this in Q4, just even talking Q4, it actually does make a good gift.
Yeah.
Like
that's a great point.
For people, like who may be going to travel or
who've always said, "Oh, I want to learn Korean or something."
Or I'm going to be doing a semester abroad, or like this, and it actually is a very proven product.
Yeah, that's a great point.
He's won awards for it and all of that. So, yes, definitely make this part of your lists, and especially for keeping your lists fresh, clean, and compliant.
Yep, no, I love that. And then, quick item of note, right, is that we've seen this product and products like this do really well across a variety of segments and lists, right? So it's like if you like, oh, I only promote health offers, right? This can be a great thing to test on your list or whatever traffic source you have, even if you've got other types of demographics and audiences, because it is, in my opinion, demographic agnostic a bit, right?
Yeah.
And it can hit a wider, if you've got like a younger audience, right, that you don't mail to that often or that doesn't convert that well with your more aggressive supplement mailings or something, this could probably slot in pretty well and kind of test with your younger demos. So yeah, use it that way too.
Very, very great offer. So let's go into number 2, and we are introducing Wisdom Nutrition. It is the world's first Christian daily supplement. It is designed to transform energy levels and revitalizes your health. You'll see has this nice bottle for it. It is a Bible-based herbal blend. You'll see we have great copy here coming down. We have Dr. Patrick Gentempo, a world-renowned chiropractor and multiple patent holder for healthcare technologies.
And if he looks familiar, there's a good reason for that. If you've been around the space for any period of time, him and a business partner have been behind lots of docuseries and documentary offers out there in the space across a variety of niches. This team behind this, I can't speak to too many details on it, but the team behind this is very good at putting out quality and very good offers too. So I'm excited to see them dive into the kind of the supplement space. Yeah.
And I love how they have Patrick and his team have been featured by, and just this enormous list of ways to build credibility and to increase the conversion on this. You'll see right here, we're going to go through all the way down. We're going to kind of move here. Now he has 2 options right here. We have the 1-month supply and the 2-month supply. And if we go into one of these, you'll see we're right in here to the order form. It doesn't look like it is a custom, been customized yet. However,
again, it's new.
It's new. Yeah, these are new. However, it is converting. And so how is it converting? Well, let's tell you. EPC, $3. AOV, $131. The average payout is $73 on that. You're seeing, and conversion rate, 4%. So this is one of those ones where we, in our top offers, now if you saw that, it would be a couple weeks ago, we talked about the conservative list that if you have that traffic, they convert really well. Mm-hmm. They convert really well when you're aiming towards that. Same thing here. I could see this being a real powerhouse in that space.
If you've promoted Exodus Effect, if you've promoted Shep Diet from years ago, right? If you've promoted these kind of Christian angled offers, this
Live fall.
Yeah, live fall, right? All these are very much worth testing, or this is very much worth testing to your lister traffic if you've had good success with those offers.
Mm-hmm. So. Yes. So definitely one to keep your eye on. If you are in the conservative media space, definitely start promoting this and testing it.
Sweet. And I'm going to send us home with numero uno.
Numero.
This is Blood Flow 7. Could heart starvation be zapping your energy? I love that. I love that little hook there. Heart starvation, right? Some little made up thing, but it's going to like really draw you in with some intrigue there.
That's a good hook.
Yeah. And this is a very long sales page, so I'm not going to make you scroll all the way through. I'll jump through until we get to this order button, which is going to drag us all the way down. So if I'm like, oh, what is that? I can scroll back up and read it. Love that little conversion hack there for y'all.
Nice.
And then they're showing their most popular, most expensive option right here on top, right? The buy 5, get 2 free options. You're getting 7 bottles of this on the front end for $200. And then there's more down here. Buy 3, get 1 free, and then buy 1 for $40. So they've got a great kind of stack there. Again, they're showing the one they really want people to take first.
Nice.
Who knew that could boost conversions?
Wow.
Right? So click to continue, and you're going to jump over to the order form, which is nice and branded. And just a kind of a classic. They've got good upsell flow from here. The stats on this one are, granted, kind of all over the place. It is pretty new, but it's showing some good stuff out of the gate. $5 EPCs.
It's just wild.
Excellent, right? I expect that to come down as scale goes up, right?
Yep.
Kind of like a lot of these, if they get more scale, wider audience, EPC probably goes down a bit.
Yep.
AOV, $140. Average payout, $30, which seems really low.
Really low.
Yeah. I won't be surprised if they're kind of just testing right now, kind of just doing more conversion testing versus big scale payout focus, right? But the conversion rate, 18%.
Which tells me they're to me that seems seems insane.
Yeah.
What I think is going on, it looks like that is they're working with list traffic, very email based traffic on that. And so that's going to, you're going to have less clicks as far as, whether it's paid.
Very targeted, probably.
Very targeted. And so if you are in the email space and you do have lists that you're like, man, I just need something new, this would definitely fit the bill for that. And it looks like it is going to convert very well.
If this is any sign of what's going to do.
Any sign. Now in the paid media space, that would be, we talked about it before on some of these, work with them on that because it definitely shows promise, but you're going to need to talk with them.
No, I'm excited for this one, especially, and this is just something for everybody listening here, is the Q4 is a great time to test for what you want to go big on in Q1, right? Because that's going to convert a lot better in Q1 when everyone's very health conscious and redo yourself kind of, right?
Yes.
So if this is your chance to test small traffic, get things lined up, dial in the big sends and the big traffic for January through March, and then kind of hit it hard. But this is a great place to be with some of these new offers that are in that spot. And that's what I love about these offers who are getting in front of the game a bit, not submitting products on December 20th going, we want to get live by January.
Yeah, we're ready. We're the affiliates. And you're like, well, I already tested the ones I want to launch in a week.
So vendors, if you're listening, get offers submitted, get them tested now. Affiliates, be kind of doing some small drops and tests to see what's resonating well so you can go really hard in January and kind of get these off and make the most money possible.
Yep. And make sure that you are keeping your lists and your traffic clean. The worst thing that you can have is be like, I'm ready to go out, and you don't have an account.
So get it going.
Make sure that you are staying healthy and clean for with your traffic and with the offers that you're promoting in Q4. So you're ready to go big.
I love it. Well, let us know in the comments below what questions you have about any of these offers. Do check out the link in the description and check out the landers, the affiliate tools pages they have, and other stats that I've mentioned will be featured there along with other top offers from previous months and this month. And it's October, so happy Halloween.
Happy scaling, y'all.
Happy scaling. Happy scaling. That's my tagline. Cheers,
Peace, y'all.